Let me show you how I can help transform your notes into engaging visual lessons. Your notes contain valuable information that can become interactive visual lessons with my help. Let me explain the different ways I can help you learn from your notes. I can transform your written notes into animated visual explanations that make concepts easier to understand. For complex topics, I can create diagrams and illustrations that break down the information visually. Each concept will have voice narration that walks you through the material step by step. The process is simple. You provide your notes, I process them, and create an engaging visual lesson. I can create different types of visual content depending on your subject matter. For math, I can show equations with detailed, step-by-step solutions and working, like this example showing how to factor a quadratic equation. For science, I can demonstrate concepts with clear visual representations, such as this simple atomic model showing the structure of an atom. For history, I can create timelines and context diagrams to show relationships between events. For language studies, I can illustrate grammar rules, vocabulary, and sentence structures. Here are the best ways to share your notes so I can help you effectively. The easiest way is to simply type or paste your notes directly into our chat conversation. For best results, try to organize your notes by topic or concept rather than random information. If you have specific diagrams or formulas, include them and I will recreate them visually. Think of your notes as organized sections with each topic building on the previous one. Let me share what makes an effective study session using visual lessons. Focus on learning one topic thoroughly before moving to the next for better information retention. Don't hesitate to watch the visual explanations multiple times until the concept clicks. Take short breaks between different topics to give your brain time to process the information. The learning process follows a natural progression. Learn the concept, review it, then master it through repetition. Visual learning with animations offers several key benefits for studying. Research shows that visual memory is significantly stronger than memory from reading text alone. Animations are especially powerful because they show processes and changes happening over time. When you engage multiple senses, like sight and hearing together, understanding improves dramatically. All these elements combine to create an enhanced learning experience that makes studying more effective and enjoyable. I'm ready to help transform your notes into engaging visual lessons. Simply share your notes with me and let me know what specific topics you need help understanding. I will create customized visual lessons specifically designed for your material and learning needs. Together we can make your studying more effective, more engaging, and actually enjoyable.